This video is about introduction to the Raspberry Pi. The main objective is to learn the basics only. So what is Raspberry Pi? Raspberry Pi is a single board credit card size computer. It was developed by the Raspbian Foundation. It was developed for the educational purpose. So now it is used in various projects. So we will see the components of Raspberry Pi first. Actually this is Raspberry Pi model 3. There are different generations of Raspberry Pi: Pi 1, Pi 2 and Pi 3. Today we will use Pi 3. So we will see the components. So first, the processor. This is the processor of the Pi. Then this is HDMI. We can connect the Raspberry Pi output to the TV and we can view the desktop of Raspberry Pi on TV. This is for camera module. We can connect the camera module of Raspberry Pi over here. This is 3.5 mm audio. This is LAN port. These are USB. We can see. Okay, so this is the power, micro power. Here we can connect power supply here. Then the operating system. The operating system of Raspberry Pi is installed on a SD card. This is the SD card slot and we have to insert the micro SD card over here. First we have to install the operating system on the card. There are actually two methods of installing operating system on SD card. First method is using the Noobs. It is new out of box software, so we can install using that method, or the second method is directly writing the OS image on the SD card. We will see in the coming videos how to install the operating system. Okay, so the Pi 3 has inbuilt Wi-Fi adapter. Here is the inbuilt Wi-Fi adapter of Pi, and it also has Bluetooth 4.1, and these all are the GPIO pins. There are total of 40 pins, out of which some are VCC, some are ground, some are general purpose. If you study detail about these pins, you will get to know what the purpose of each pin. So these are the interface to the external world, meaning Raspberry Pi can give its output to another world, suppose some circuit as input, and it can also take the input from external circuit. Let's take an example, because this is the main feature of Raspberry Pi which normal computers doesn't have. So we'll take one example. Let's assume we want to build a security system wherein we want to detect the intruders and notify it on our phone. We can implement this using Raspberry Pi. How? Let's see. The detection is done by the PIR sensor. PIR sensor detects the human beings, so we can easily interface the PIR sensor with Raspberry Pi. So we'll interface that, and when the sensor detects, it will give signal to one of these pins which we will program, to which we connect. So after getting the signal, the Raspberry Pi will process. If suppose Raspberry Pi wants to take picture of that instance, so the camera module can take the picture. After taking that picture, suppose you want that picture on your phone, so Raspberry Pi can send that photo at the real time to your phone using the internet. You can connect using Wi-Fi or LAN directly, so you can receive the photo at that instant only on your phone. And this is very small, so you can place this anywhere in your shop or anywhere you can place. So that's how it makes powerful. Raspberry Pi is used in various applications like robotics. You can build a robot, and this is small, so you can place it inside a robot and it can do so many things. It can be you can think of it where you can use it. Okay, in coming videos we'll see how to connect the Raspberry Pi to the a laptop, how to access it from laptop, how to write programs and all, how to execute programs, we can connect this to GSM module also. We will see in coming videos. Thank you.